Hi there, this is Mrs. Grigorovich. So I wanted to show this. If you click on the blue link here on this page that says list of local colleges and universities, it'll bring you to this spreadsheet. Here we have links to every local, well not every, but a lot of the local state colleges and universities. If you click on this tab, it has the community colleges and technical schools, and it also shows where it's located and how much it costs, and then whether or not they offer these degrees, so bachelor's, associates, and certificates. It's nice because you get to kind of see what's offered and also the cost, and then if you hover over these, it'll take you straight to that college or university's webpage so that you can go ahead and explore. So it's the same for universities. It shows what type of degree they offer. The difference with universities is it will also show the acceptance rate for that school. So for example, Herzing University, they accept 94% of applicants, and of those accepted, they graduate about 86% of people. So that's a pretty high graduation rate. And then we kind of can compare it to, say, let's see here, to University of Minnesota, where they're very selective and they only accept about half the applicants, but they still have a high graduation rate of those people that got accepted. It's 78%. One thing to really know is that a university is just a bunch of colleges put together under one company. So these colleges are standalone, which means they present their programs that they offer all under that one college, which means their entrance requirements are going to be the same across the board. When you enter a university, one thing to keep in mind is that there are multiple colleges within any given university, and each college might have different admissions requirements. So when you click on, say, U of M Twin Cities, you'll see that they have lots of different programs. So we're going to go ahead and, oh no, my computer. Okay. Majors and programs and colleges and schools. So I want to show you guys that there are differences in colleges and schools within a university, and they will have different admissions requirements. So for here, College of Biological Sciences, this college within the U of M is going to have different admissions requirements than other colleges within. So that's one thing to keep in mind is depending on what you're looking for and what you want, you might have to dig a little bit deeper if you're looking into applying to a university and a specific college within that. Okay, and that's all I have.